How can I get 1 ounce gold bar in grams? Investing in gold is probably the safest investment you can make. However, to buy gold, the investor needs to take time and do some background research so that they can make their investment worthwhile. If done well, the benefits of such an investment usually prove to be worth every coin invested. It is also one of those investments that have the lowest risks. This precious metal is commonly used as an insurance policy during hard economic times where the values of currencies fall. This is because it has an inherent characteristic to maintain its value despite the declining value of other commodities in the market. This makes it one of the few items that can withstand inflation. On top of this, it is acceptable all over the world as a means of exchange. Although it is mostly used as a safe haven for preserving value, there are people who specialize in buying and selling it to make profit. By playing their cards right, trading in this metal can bring large profits. This is because its value almost always increases with time due to its high demand and low supply in the world market. There are several commercial forms of this precious metal. Some of the most common ones include sovereigns, Krugerrands, and gold bars. Each of these types has its advantages depending on the nature of investment a trader wants to make. The financial power of a trader also determines what type they will invest in. Sovereigns are probably the most known coins made of this valuable metal. They are generally considered to be more attractive than all other coins. This makes them attract greater interest in the market. Due to their mass production, they are sometimes available at very attractive prices. These coins are also easy to resell since they are accepted almost everywhere in the world. Krugerrands are the best modern 1 ounce gold bullion coins. They can be bought in large quantities and at lower prices than all the other coins of the same size. This makes them the best 1 ounce bullion coins worth trading in. Their production quality has remained high for a long time since they always contain exactly 1 ounce of fine gold. Bars are usually preferred for long-term investment. They are known to a very low premium compared to all the other forms of commercial gold. They generally seem like the cheapest form to invest in. However, sometimes this is not always the case. It is therefore important for the buyer to check and compare prices from different sources. There are those traders who will choose to buy shares in mining companies rather than buying the physical metal. This includes buying mining stocks and mutual funds. The prospects of such investments depend on the company in which one invests in. Well-established companies have higher certainty than smaller ones. A buyer should therefore reduce their risks by buying shares in the well-established companies. Whilst more and more people look to buy gold in troubled times, it is always important to do your background research and use a reputable dealer before you make an investment.